The Mangalore North Block Congress Committee staged a silent protest march on Wednesday, August 27th for condemning City Corporation's maladministration and Operation Kamala adopted by the state government. K. Suresh Ballal, President of North Congress Block, submitted a memorandum to the District Commissioner at the office of DC, arriving on a march which was started at Congress office. In the memorandum, Congress has demanded the Chief Minister not to implement self-announced property tax in Mangalore City Corporation limits and to withdraw privatization of water supply system and billing. It also urged the government to repair roads in the city where 90% of the roads have been deteriorated and to provide rice for 2 rupees per kg as per the announcement made in the budget. The Congress said that the government has created such an environment where people except from Saffron Brigade have no freedom of speech. It is inevitable to conduct a movement as such to protect democratic rights of the people in its atmosphere.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇವತ್ತು ರೈತರ ಪರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವತ್ತು ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಲಾಠಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಲಾಠಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗಳು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಜನರಿಗೆ ಈಗ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಅದರ ಏನು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಪುನಃ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು MLAಗಳನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ಮನವಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
A protest was organized by the local unit of Vishwa Hindu Parishad in front of the Deputy Commissioner's office on Tuesday, August 26th, condemning the killing of VHP leaders in Orissa. A memorandum urging the Orissa Governor and Chief Minister to ensure that the killer gang of 30 men suitable punishment for the act was submitted to the Deputy Commissioner. VHP President M.B. Puranik requested the communities not to give scope for incidents like religious conversions, cow slaughter, cow trafficking, harassment of girls, terrorism, etc., which are frequently witnessed in the coastal district, to avoid unnecessary conflicts. He also called upon the Muslims to condemn terrorism. We respect all religions, he asserted.
ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣಾನಂದ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಬಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಂಚಿತ್ತಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ಊರು ವಿಶ್ವ ಹಿಂದೂ ಪರಿಷತ್ತದ ನಾಯಕರೇ ಒರಿಸ್ಸಾಡು ಪುಣಂಚಿತ್ತಿನ ಅರಣ್ಯವಾಸಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಂಜನೆ ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ನಿವಾಸಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪಾಪದ ಕೈಗೆ ಬೋಡಾದು ಒಂಜಿ ಆಶ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಡಪ ಒಂದು ಓಲು ಹಿಂದುಳಿನ ಮತಾಂತರ ಪುಣ ಐನ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಧ್ವನಿದೆರ್ತಿದ್ದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದಿತ್ತಿನ ಚಿತ್ತಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ಮಹಾನ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬೇರೆನೆ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತ ಮಿಷನ್ ದಕ್ಕಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟಮಿದಾನಿ ಗುಂಡುಬಾರ್ದು ಗೆರಿಯರು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೂ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರರು ಒಂಜಿ ಹಿಂದೂರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಂಚಿತ್ತಿನ ನಾಯಕರನ್ನಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಈ ದೇಶಡು ಗುಂಡು ಬಾಡುವರನ್ನ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜನಕ್ಕೂ ಇನ್ನು ಬದುಕಿನ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಉಂಡ ಬಂದಲೆ ಉನ್ನತ ವಿಶ್ವ ಹಿಂದೂ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಇನಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೊಂದುಂಟು.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishes a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8422141158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
N. Vinay Hegde, Chairman of NIT Education Trust, launched the Mangalore SEZ website www.mangalorescz.com and said Mangalore is God's own place as far as SEZ is concerned. Mangalore has no future unless Mangaloreans are going to become SEZ friendly. He added that though we all value our land, the sacrifice of one person for the overall development of region is the need of the hour, or else the status quo will continue and Mangalore will remain stagnant as far as development is concerned. He, however, called upon the officials of Mangalore SEZ to assure the displaced people that rehabilitation and resettlement is done on a time-bound basis without delay so as to mitigate their suffering. A large number of local people should be included to provide long-term training because blue-collar workers in Dakshina Kannada are now having difficulty in getting jobs due to lack of training, Hegde added. He further said that the enlightened and intelligent people of Dakshina Kannada should understand the concept of SEZ. We are talking about growth in China, Singapore and Middle East, which is happening largely because of SEZs. If we are not exposing ourselves for the changes, our country will not change.
I think today you have technology which can simply see that whether it is water pollution, whether it is air pollution, any of these things, if the people who run the SEZ are conscious about it, there are methodology by which you can avoid. Mr. Prasad gave me a write-up on it, in which he clearly mentions about 75% of the polluted water is being recycled. There is going to be a green belt. In the green belt, they are assuring that the local plants are going to be planted. It's not acacia. It's not planting something which is not akin to the environment here. I think once people are conscious that they have to do something which the local people will accept, I think an SEZ of this nature will make tremendous change in the life of the local people.
The Deputy Commissioner of Dakshina Kannada, M. Maheshwara Rao, who presided over the function, said that the Mangalore SEZ website would go a long way in dispelling all the half-truths that are in circulation and would give a concept picture to the people about details pertaining to Mangalore SEZ. ISN Prasad, Managing Director and CEO of Mangalore SEZ, talked about the importance of Mangalore SEZ and the impetus it would provide for economic activity in this region. Mangalore, being a maritime port, is the ideal place for setting up SEZ, he stated. He also gave a brief account of contents of website, including why Mangalore is specifically chosen for setting up the special economic zone. He assured that the company will make every possible step to keep the emissions at much lower level than what is prescribed by the various environment agencies. The Taluk Reorganization Committee, headed by President M.B. Prakash and members Chiranjeevi Singh and Shivanand, with retired IAS officer Janardhan Rao as its convener, visited Mangalore on August 26th. The committee held consultations with the people's representatives. Nelliyadi Taluk Formation Action Committee submitted its memorandum. Committee Honorary President Abraham Verghese, Jilla Panchayat member from Dharmasthala Babu Moghera Ernodi, BJP Taluk Committee President P. Kushalappa Gavda, etc. spoke on the occasion. The committee also received memorandums at the consultative meeting organized at the Gram Panchayat office at Kadaba. Kadaba Taluk Action Committee, supported by various individuals, presented their case before the committee with a request to make Kadaba as the Taluk headquarters. Committee President C. Philip, Convener Krishna Shetty and several others supported the proposal to carve out Kadaba Taluk. At a meeting held at Mulki and attended by ex-MLA Somappa Suvarna, MB Noor Ahmad, K. Karunakar Shetty, Mulki Taluk Formation Committee has decided to plead the Taluk Reorganization Committee during its visit on Wednesday to make Mulki as the Taluk. A special meeting organized under the presidentship of Mudbidri Municipal President Bhoja Kochian at Mudbidri on Tuesday afternoon also unanimously decided to request the Taluk Reorganization Committee to create Mudbidri Taluk by pooling villages from Mudbidri Revenue Division and some villages from Venur Sub-Division, Gurpur Revenue Division. MLA Abhay Chandra Jain, Municipal Vice President Bhoja Kotian, etc. were present on the occasion.
ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಕೊಡುವ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒಪ್ಕೋಬೋದು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅಂತಿಮ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಪರಿಗಣನೆಗೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡೇ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋದು.